friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll share with you 5 tier tray wood DIYs. Minis are something I like to create, so let's go ahead and get started. DIY number 1. For this project, I'm going to be taking this mini shadow box kind of frame that I got from Target Dollar Spot a long time ago, and I'm going to be mixing 2 of these colors, the white acrylic paint from the Dollar Tree and this Oops paint in a kind of greenish color. It came from Home Improvement Store, and after I mixed those 2, this is the color I got, and I'm going to just be painting the inside of the shadow box. After that, I'm taking the rub-on transfer from the Dollar Tree to a spell out campsite. If you never use the rub-on transfer, they're super easy to use. You just peel off the backing, actually cut out the letters, then peel off the backing, and then rub it with some object over the liner, and then peel off that liner, and the letters or whatever image you are transferring is transferred onto the surface. After I was done with all of the letters, this is how it looks like. I wanted to just add something, and I found this small pine cone in my stash, so I added it in the right bottom corner because it is DIY about camping. So this is how it looks like. I think it's super cute. Tell me in the comments down below, what do you think? But before we go any further, I want to tell you that this video is part of the collaboration that is called What Would You Make?, where we create some decor ideas out of wood. As always, the host is Brenda over at Rustic and Lace DIY and Christine over at DIY Craftaholic. And this month, co-host is Jess over at Glue Lala. And make sure to go ahead and check out the description box. I will have the playlist linked in the description box so you can see what everybody else created. DIY number 2. I'm going to be taking 8 of these Jenga blocks, and I'm gonna glue them with the hot glue 2 together like so. Here they are. After that, I am gonna be stacking them together. After I stacked 3 of them, I realized I didn't need the 4th one, so pretty much you need only 6 Jenga blocks pieces for this project. After that, I'm gonna be painting them. I mixed this Oops paint with the Waverly chalk paint in the color Celery to get this color over here, and I'm going to paint all 3 blocks with this paint. Now that everything is painted, this is how it looks like. I'm going to be taking this very fine marker from Arteza, and I'm going to be just freehanding words on this stack of books, miniature stack of books. I'm going backwards so I don't I make sure I space them out right. So right now I'm just spelling home is where we park it, and here it is. This is how it looks like. If you don't want to freehand it, of course, you can use stencils, or you can use your cutting machine to cut out letters. After that, I'm taking this baker's twine in a white and gray color, and I am just wrapping it 3 times, securing it with a hot glue. After that, the only thing left to do is just to sand the edges a little bit to make it look even more rustic. And that's it for this project. I think these stack of books are always good for any tier tray, or actually any shelf if you're making it in a bigger version. A great addition for your decor. What do you think? Okay, DIY number 3. For this project, I'm taking this piece of wood. I actually had this leftover from when I made the dough, wooden dough bowl. So it's a little slanted, which I actually like. So I'm going to be taking this antique wax by Folkart and a baby wipe, and I will just give it a 1 good coat. I really like the way this piece of wood looks like, and it's perfect to stand on its own. So really you can use anything that you have on hand. After I was done with all this, this is how it looks like, and I'm going to be sanding the edges and all the way around until I'm happy the way it looks like. Okay, next I'm going to be taking one of the paint markers in a color white, and I will be spelling Smores Station on the front of this slanted piece of wood. I went over several times until I was happy with the way it looks like. And this is how it is. Now I'm taking the cork that I will be cutting in half, and here it is, two pieces, and I will be painting them with this white acrylic paint from the Dollar Tree. I used a sponge and I actually just dabbed the paint on top of them. I really didn't want it to be perfect. I'm creating s'mores, so they should look a little, you know, uneven, because as they go on a fire, they melt and lose their shape. So now this is how they look like after they're dry. I'm going to be adding the twigs that I found in my yard. I push through each of them, and then after that I will just attach that to the previous wood piece, wood block that I created. I'm attaching them with a hot glue in a crisscross pattern. And that's going to be it for this project. I don't know why, but I think this one is so cute, probably because I love s'mores. But I think it's perfect when you think about camping and a campsite. Tell me in the comments down below, what do you think about this idea? And the last project for today, DIY number 5, I'm going to be using this sign that came from the Target dollar spot for $1. I will be sanding this welcome spring or hello spring letters. After that, I will be using this dark green oops paint. I thought it was perfect to paint the front of this house. The sides I wanted to leave as it is with that lighter green color. but the front, I think this color is perfect. Okay, after it was all done, this is how it looks like. Next, I actually found this printout of the tree that I used for one of the projects for Christmas time, and I saved it. So I'm going to be using that to put it on top of this little mini wooden tree. A wooden house, and I think it fits perfectly. After that, I sanded the edges a little bit to make them more rustic, and that's going to be it for this cute little project. Please tell me in the comments down below what do you think about this one and also about all my other projects that I showed you today. I love miniatures and I love creating things made out of wood, so this was perfect for me. Make sure to check out the description box for the playlist to see some other ideas that might be great for you, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for being here. Bye guys.